Good morning, children. How are you, everyone? Hope you are fine. Okay, I welcome you all for the maths class. Okay, we'll continue with the chapter 12, Money, children. And today we are going to solve word problem. Now, you can pause the video and please bring your maths book. Children, please bring your maths book. Get ready with pencil and eraser, children. See, you can do two things. First, you listen to me, you can understand, and then second time when you play it again, that time you can complete your book better. Okay? Okay, children? So the option, I have given the option. The choice is yours, children. So I'll begin. It's an exercise 12B. Exercise 12B, children. Okay? Let's begin. This is exercise 12B, page 176. Here I go. Children, here it's given that the rate of the Cadbury, the amount to be paid for the Cadbury is 28 rupees. So first I'm going to read the word problem, what it is all about. Okay? Now Deepak is a boy. Deepak has 20 rupees. How much, next line, more money does he need to buy this chocolate? First of all, circle how much more. Many times I have taught this, children. How much more? Right? So here we need to subtract. Even though it is already given over there, subtraction, in case if it doesn't give in the exam, you should know. Okay? This is a key word. How much more money does he need to buy this chocolate? He is having only 20 rupees. Now what is the rate of the chocolate? 28. So 28 is a bigger number. We need to write first. It's already written. How much is having? 20. We'll write below. How much more says means you have to minus. So we are going to subtract from 8. 8 minus 0. 0 is nothing. So write 8 as it is. Then 2 minus 2. 2 fingers up and 2 finger down. Nothing. 0. That means rupees 8. So Deepak needs 8 more to rupees 8 more to buy the chocolate. Okay, beta? B. Supriti gave the shopkeeper rupees 20 for the ice cream. Supriti went to the shop. She wanted to buy ice cream, beta. She has given 20 rupees for the ice cream. So we'll write 20. Okay. How much money did she get back? The moment it comes, how much money she'll be getting back? Yes, it says that you need to subtract. So we will minus how much she and what is the cost of the ice cream? That you will write below. Done, beta? Okay. Now can you subtract 0 minus 2? No, because 0 means nothing. So what we need to do? Regrouping. 2 will become 1 and we'll give 1 to 0. It becomes 10 now. 10 minus 2. So 10 fingers up and 2 fingers down gives you 8. Okay. So how much money did she get back? Okay. She will become got. She got rupees 8. Or you can write she got back rupees 8. She got back rupees 8. Okay. Now, yes. Now C1. Yes, what does it say? That Ajita bought these gifts for a friend. Where are the gifts? Here. These two. Can you see in the picture? The colorful box, beta? Okay. Even you must be doing it when you're giving the gift to your friend. You must be wrapping it with the color paper. Right, children? Okay. Ajita bought these gifts for her friends. How much money did she spend? How much? That means she spent means total amount. How much total amount she has spent the money. When it comes how much she has spent, the total amount, we need to add up, children. Here it is given minus, so you have to do the correction. You just see 1 minute. It's given to be 1 minute, children. See, I'll write again. It's given a horizontal line is given there. You just need to put a vertical line. It becomes addition. Okay. So please write the number. Which are the two gifts? One is of 48. The other one is of 36 rupees. Let's add up, children. Okay. 8 in mine. Come on, do it. 8 in mine. 6 fingers up. Put your 6 fingers up, beta. Very good. Come on, forward counting after 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So 4 and plus 1. This gives you, now first you add up 4 plus 3 beta. 4 in mind, 3 fingers up, forward counting after 4, 5, 6, 7. Now I cannot write 7. Why? Because this one we have taken up. Isn't it? Regrouping, borrow, carry over. So we add up that only also, so it becomes 8. So 7 plus 1 will give you 8. So it's total 84. So how much money did she spend? She spent rupees 84. Okay, beta. Next now, D. Rashi bought the ice cream. Okay. And Ankita bought the pastry. Okay. So, how much more money? Yes, again comparison. How much more money? We need to do minus. Did Ankita spend? Two people are there, Rashi and Ankita. Now we are comparing between the two people. When I told you when we compare it, we need to subtract. And when it is in how much more money, we need to subtract. So it's minus. Now, Rashi bought the ice cream. Okay. And Ankita bought the pastry. Okay, children. How much more did Ankita spend? Okay. So, Ankita has spent, she now will write, she bought the cake for rupees 23, and how much Rashi has spent? 18 rupees. So first let us subtract, then only we'll get the amount, children. Now 23. Now can you subtract 3 minus 8, beta? No. 3 fingers up karo. Okay. Now put 8 fingers down. Can you do it? No, na. Why? Because 3 is small. So what we have to do? Knock, knock, knock. Kaun aaya hai? 2 will become 1. We'll give 1 to 3. 3 becomes 13. Okay? Now easy way. I told you how when you have a 13 number, you don't have 13 fingers. So what you will do? 8 is small. From 8 to 13 are forward counting karo. Okay? Start forward counting after 8 till 13. Come on, we'll draw the line. Come on. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So how many lines? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And 1 minus 1 is 0. So only 5. Okay. So how much more money did Ankita spend? So we'll write Ankita spent rupees 5 more. Okay, beta. Now, yes. Let's do the next one. Zahida bought a book and a pencil. 1 minute, let me put it down. Book and a pencil for rupees 52. Okay. Book and pencil for rupees 52. Okay. How much did the pencil cost? Now children, please pay attention. Okay. Zahida has brought 2 things. And what is that? It's given in the picture. Book and a pencil, beta. So total amount she has paid for that is 52, beta. Okay. Now out of the 2 things, book and pencil, the rate of the book is given to you. That is rupees 42. But you don't know the amount of the pencil, that we have to find out. Out of the 2 things, always remember in 3rd standard also and 4th standard, when out of the 2 things, when one is given, and जब आपको बोला जाता है कि दूसरी चीज़ की रेट निकालो, you find out the amount of the other thing, the other object which you have bought, you need to subtract, children. Please remember. So let us subtract 2 minus 2. 2 finger up, 2 finger down, will give you 0. Now 5 fingers up and 4 finger down. Yes, it give you 1. So that means the rate of the pencil is rupees 10. So how much did the pencil cost? So you have to write the pencil cost. The pencil cost rupees 10. Okay, beta? Yes. Now Shamim bought 1 full ticket and half ticket for a show. See, usually for the adults and for the elders, you have to buy the full ticket. For the small children, you have to buy this half ticket only, beta. So he bought full ticket also. He bought half ticket also. Dono. Both, beta. Okay. How much money did she spend total? Okay. Both she has bought. So you need to add up. Okay. 0 plus 5 will give you 5. And 3 in mind and 1 finger up. And that will give you 4. Okay, it give you rupees 45. How much money did she spend? So you have to write she spent rupees 45. Okay, beta? So please listen this carefully 2-3 times and please solve this exercise in the book, children. Once, if you are not able to understand, again you listen once again. And please, I request you to solve it, try to solve it on your own. Just don't copy down it, beta. ठीक है, it can be a sort of a revision for you if you are able to do it. That will be very good, children. ठीक है, please do take a good care of yourself. God bless you, beta. Bye, children. See you.